everyone, this is the Iksan bus station, and from there where we are now, this place is called the FoodPolis. It is officially known as Korea National Food Cluster, which is a state-led initiative aimed in transforming South Korea into a global food hub for food innovation, production and export. It is located in Iksan. This is the entrance office and this is the main building. Our day started with orientation. These are the other participants for this program. Lunch hour, we had bibimbap in this beautiful eye-catching location. After the lunch, we went for a coffee and we enjoyed our time into a nice place. The strategic goals of FoodPolis aims to foster collaboration between large corporations, small and medium-sized enterprises and research institutes to drive innovation in the food industry. So, an important part of FoodPolis is to provide R&D support, and it has R&D centers which focuses on food functionality evaluation, quality and safety testing, packaging and also providing technical assistance to facilitate product development. We had our coffee time here, and after the coffee we returned back to FoodPolis. So after the lunch we had another introductory session about FoodPolis, and after that we moved forward to explore different centers facilitated by FoodPolis. Here we can see the products which are displayed. These products are the outcome of collaborative features that has been done with FoodPolis. There are good number of products that has been launched with collaboration to FoodPolis. It's interesting. So after that we went to the packaging section, food packaging center. Here we got to know about the innovations that has been made with collaboration to FoodPolis in terms of packaging development. After that, we went to the food evaluation center, functional food evaluation center. Here, the test of toxicity and efficacy of functional foods are done. After that, we entered into the pilot plant. Here, the initial pilot batch production of final functional foods are being done. Wearing caps, aprons, and watching about the manufacturing facilities, this thing got me a little bit emotional. It reminded me of my undergraduate days, my industrial visit days, and pharma life. So these are the machineries that has been used. These are common facilities for the entrepreneurs. And we finish our visit with some very nice gifts. And after that, we return back to our home. So, hoping to see you again. Bye bye.